Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel named Learn Everything with Me. Today's video is packed with exciting and enriching content, especially for parents who are looking to enhance their child's sensory development through play. We will talk about the sensory play activities, explore the creation of sensory bins and tactile experiences, and wrap it up with some parenting hacks for time savings. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's jump into the sensory adventure. Segment 1 is about sensory play activities for sensory development. Alright, let's kick things off with some sensory play activities that will contribute to your child's sensory development. Activity 1 is DIY texture boards. One fantastic way to engage your child's senses is by creating DIY texture boards. Collect materials with different textures like sandpaper, soft fabric or bumpy paper. Glue them onto separate boards and let your child explore the variety of sensation through touch. Activity number 2 is mess-free sensory bags. For a mess-free option, sensory bags are a game changer. Fill resealable plastic bags with items like hair gel, beads or even colored water. Seal the bags tightly and tape them to a table or a window. Your child can press and manipulate the contents without any cleanup hassle. Activity number 3 is nature sensory hunt. Take your sensory play outdoors with a nature sensory hunt. Encourage your child to touch different textures in nature like grass, tree bark or smooth stones. It's a fantastic way to connect with the environment while stimulating their senses. Segment number 2 is making sensory bins and tactile experiences. Now let's move on to creating sensory bins and tactile experiences at home. First is sensory bin number 1, rainbow rice bin. A rainbow rice bin is not only visually appealing but also offers a tactile experience. Dye rice in different colors using food coloring, place it in a bin and provide scoops, cups and containers for endless hours of exploration. Sensory bin number 2, cloud dough fun. Cloud dough is another fantastic option. Mix flour and baby oil to create a soft moldable dough. Add some toys or tools for your child to discover hidden treasures within the dough. Tactile experience, homemade Play-Doh. And of course, we can't forget the classic homemade Play-Doh. It's simple to make with ingredients from your kitchen and your child can mold it into various shapes, promoting both creativity and tactile exploration. Next segment is easy sensory play ideas for home. Now that we have covered sensory activities and creating bins, let's explore some easy sensory play ideas you can incorporate into your daily routine. Idea number 1 is sensory bath time. Turn bath time into a sensory experience by adding bath bombs, foam letters or even glow sticks. It's a multi-sensory adventure that can make the daily ritual more exciting for your little one. Idea number 2 is sensory story time. Enhance the story time by incorporating sensory elements. Use props, scents or even textured fabrics related to the story. This engages multiple senses and makes storytelling a richer experience. And there you have it, our guide to sensory play activities, making sensory bins, and incorporating the hacks for time saving. I hope you found these ideas inspiring and practical. This is just a basic, and if you want to know in detail, just let me know in the comment section. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more parenting tips, and share your thoughts or your favorite sensory play activity in the comments below. Thank you for spending this time with us today, and until next time, happy parenting and happy playing.